Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be taking you through my guest bathroom. This is the very beginning of my total house makeover. Yes, I do it at least once a year where I refresh all parts of my home. I'm going to be taking you through the guest bathroom on the first floor and on the second floor. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. Now, guys, before I start telling you where I got everything from and what I did, if you like home decor or decorating, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Also, click the notification bell so that you will be notified. So guys, let's get into this. Now, over at the shower area, I always do my signature curtains and shower curtain because that always gives a really nice luxe look. And over here, my friends, I got the Mosaic mirror from Ross a long time ago. The other full-length mirror is from Burlington, and I believe the Mosaic was $59.99 and the full-length mirror was $29.99. Now over here by the sink, guys, I have changed the light fixture. I changed the mirror from when I initially moved into the house. And I absolutely love the way this looks, and the burnt orange will take me right into the fall. So I love this color combination. Right above the right above the toilet, I just put a flower. And then on the shelves above the toilet, I did put some towels, a mirror, some cotton balls, Q-tips, things that will be used in this bathroom. It's a guest bathroom, so it's things that guests have asked me for. And this light fixture right here is from it is from Lowe's. The base was, I believe, $99, and the light bulb covers were $12 each. So I'll add the link to that in the description box if anybody is interested. And I just added a little bit more orange over here. When you have an accent color in a room, you just need to repeat it throughout the room at least 3 times, and then it'll give it more of a cohesive feel. That love sign over there that you just saw, that is from Marshall's. So let me take you back over here by the tub one more time. I have my blessed sign above the window. And these beautiful velvet curtains that are from Amazon. The shower curtain is from Marshall's, which I've had for a very long time. But guys, these curtains being up on the side does not stop anybody from taking a shower. I've been doing this for many, many years, and people take showers with no problem at all. And guys, I also want to tell you at the end of the video, if you are having trouble decorating a space in your home, I can help you online. I don't have to come to your house. And at the very end of the video, I explain how my online e-design website works. So I am taking orders right now. I stopped for a while because I had so many orders, it was backing up. But I am back to taking orders now. So at the end of the video, I explain how it works, and I will have a link to my website in the description box. So guys, as always, if you have any questions about anything that you've seen in the video, let me know in the comments. Hello everyone, and it's Michelle. Welcome to Design Fun. Today, I'm going to tell you about my e-designs that I'm now offering on my website. If you are struggling to decorate a room or finish decorating a room, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home, I'd love to help you design and decorate your space. The e-designs are super affordable and very easy. You will get a full 3D design of your room, as well as home decor suggestions, furniture suggestions, and I can also do color schemes if you don't already have one. Now, to get an e-design, it's an easy 3-step process. First, you will fill out the form on the website. Step 2, you will upload your pictures of your space. And step 3 is just wait to receive your 3D e-design within 7 business days. So head over to the website so you can get started with your first e-design today.